December 21st holds a lot of awe and mystery. We know that Jupiter and Saturn will encounter conjunction. It will cause the appearance of a large, bright Christmas star, a long-awaited occurrence. I sense so much potential in this event. Hello, my beautiful positive peeps. It is me, Lori, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading love and positivity. I put out a video last Friday about the events coming on December 21st. For a link to that video, click here, or you can see the link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos about positivity and topics like this as well. This video led to many people asking a lot of questions. Let me start by saying this. Thank you all for coming to my channel and for allowing me to shed light during these trying or even, perceived as scary times. My information comes to me from three sources. I read and study, I talk to people with direct experience, and I receive downloads from the universe or from a higher source. I follow the breadcrumbs and synchronicities that the Creator generously leaves for me, and it's pretty awesome. In the recent months, we've seen many people ascending into higher dimensions of consciousness and awareness. Mass awakenings have been happening around the world. The events of December 21st will be essentially an upgrade from what has already been happening. So Justin from the YouTube channel We Are Creators did an awesome video about being ready for possible power outages and that kind of thing. He talks about being ready and he lists some items that you could purchase to be ready for this. Here's the video. I'm not going to regurgitate his information, so if you want to see a link, it's below or right there. The scary part of this event is the potential of massive influxes of gamma radiation from the sun and from the cosmic core. The big fear about this is threefold. Let me explain. Number one, how will this affect the human body on a physical level? Number two, how will this affect the earth and its electrical technology? And three, what will happen on a dimensional or spiritual level? Okay, so those are some unknowns, some mystery, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So what can we do to feel better and less fearful? Here's a few tips, okay guys? Number one, learn as much as you can about spiritual awakenings and the whole process. Subscribe to my channel and other similar channels, and this will help to ensure that you don't miss any information and any downloads that may be helpful to you in calming your nerves. Number two, do actions to raise your vibration. See the chart here? You must try to stay on average in the love or above frequency range. This will help a lot. Number three, get right with karma. Settle your karmic debts. See my video here about that. Once you've done these things, here are the signs that you will be heading into this awakening on December 21st on the 5D path, which is what you want. So first of all, you know about the splitting of consciousness. Awareness means that you are meant to be part of this new world. The second thing is that you feel good. You are aware of the importance of feeling good. And next, you feel a lot of love in your heart. You are more patient with others and accepting of others' differences. Another thing is that you have recently had some kind of awakening. And lastly, you are experiencing more signs and synchronicities lately. It's all amazing. It's all awesome. That's all I have for you today, guys. I'd like to talk to you more about the positive effects of clean eating and the awakening process. That video is coming soon. Please hit that like button. That thumbs up button actually does a lot of good for us creators. Thank you for watching. All I want for Christmas is to get to my 1,000 subscribers. That would make me so happy. Can you help me get there? Can you, please? It will raise my vibe, and by the law of divine oneness, it'll raise yours too. I love you all. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and A, B.